Enjoy this quick Bible study, and may your day be blessed. Psalm 18:32. It is God that girdeth me with strength, and maketh my way perfect. Psalm 18 is a psalm of David, in which he reflects on God's faithfulness and deliverance. It's a psalm of thanksgiving, where David praises God for his protection and the strength he provided, especially in times of adversity. And when facing enemies, David had been through many trials, including running from King Saul, facing war, and experiencing personal failures, but God had always been his refuge and source of strength. Just like David, we can trust that when we face challenges, we don't have to do it in our own strength. God is the one who girds us up, who gives us the resilience to face difficulties, and who directs our paths. His strength is what enables us to keep going, even when it feels like we don't have the capacity on our own. It's a reminder that even when we're weak, God can make us strong. And even when we feel lost, He can make our path clear.